Guys, welcome back to Mr. Cullen's virtual classroom at Turner Elementary School, technically my basement. So today we are playing a math game. So you'll definitely need somebody else to play with. You can play by yourself, but it's going to be fun if you can do it with somebody else. You can even do it through FaceTime or use your technology to play with one of your friends, one of your family members. So what we're going to do, and it's building on where the lines cross. So we know that we're now using rows and columns, okay? So I'm going to explain the game, I'm going to demonstrate it, and I'm going to let you go for it. So the way this is going to work is it's going to have a player one, and you would just put your name here. It's player A, and then player B, okay? And now, each player is going to roll their dice twice. They're going to draw their rows and their columns. So let's just say I roll and I rolled a 2. I'm going to draw 2 rows. 1, 2, because rows go from left to right, columns go up and down. And then I roll a 4. So that means the second row is columns 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then player B rolls a 1, so that's 1 row, and then rolls a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So now, each player has to circle where the lines cross. So I'm player A, I'm going to circle everywhere where the lines cross, and then player B is going to do the same. It'd be awesome if you just did this on FaceTime or Zoom or something like that with one of your friends or your classmates or family members. So then player B would do the same thing. You're going to write your equation, okay? So now I know that I have 2 rows times 4 columns equals 8. Right here we have 1 row of 6 equals 6. Whoever has the highest answer or product gets 1 point. Gets 1 point. So then I would get 1 point right here. Okay? And so you want to do this 6 different rounds, and then whoever has the more points at the end of that wins. And if you're tied, you can just go sudden death to whoever wins. But this is an awesome game to play with your friends or your family. Everyone can play it. Take your time. Make sure it's nice and neat with your rows and your columns. And once again, just if you have 1 dice, you can just roll it twice. If you don't have any dice, you can just get a number generator on the internet, or you can even get an app that does the dice roll on the app, or you can just put 1 through 6 in a hat and just pull them out. Either way, that you can do it. But let's try to work with somebody else and do our where the lines cross game. Look forward to see it. For the exit ticket here, just go ahead and take a picture of all the work you did. You don't have to win to get credit. You just got to complete the game to get credit. So just send me a picture. Let me know you completed the game. Let me know who you played with. If you played with somebody else from class, that'd be awesome. Hope you all liked the lesson. Feel free to contact me through text, phone call, or email. I'm always available.